Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublay phi baro kinikilong ki khubor bamta kasni. Halor ka jingjia ka jingsha siat ki riu pait ba kabla jia ka chnong Mukroh menha ka arpu arturik unai wing ar hajar arpu ar. Kajing aiti bantok kit ka Central Bureau of Investigation CBI kite ki artli ki Sorkar Assam mat Meghalaya hadu menta kimpar aiti wat habala shimrai de ki arngut ki menteri rangba ha kajing elang gabla deblong hanong ba Guwahati dangshan ha ka lai photorik unai lur. Na kaliang umentri rangba ka jila Konrad ke sangma habaya kren shakilat pathai kubor hab banyat kat kum kalenti kaba baro artli ki jila ki haban soi ya ka rai kat ka jingelang hab deng ki mentri rangba kaba kila dep syang. Ha kabaya deipan bar ka jing penbet pun bar ka jing ai jing yada ya ki pait ba khap pun ha ka wat kaba ar kala rai ru ban weng no ya ki jing pen apahara ha keleng ki jaka khap pun ha ki than khanduli ya tu Konrad ke sangma. Shushu Konrad ke sangma ubenrap ki don ki benta ha ban pen ban weng no ya ka jing pa apahara ha ki bor pulit de ki Sorkar jila ha keleng ki jaka henry omla ban batai lut khamtam ya ki jaka ki ba kongsan. Ya kaba sa shisyin kabla jia kam de shu ban yakin an. Ha ka jing temu part banet jurip lang dagi armentry rangba iki Than Block 1 kan duli psiar ka jing slam ka long bakadon ka election kumta hap sa ange shwa pensngo u Konrad ke sangma. Ula pentip bagi regional committee bapher kila penkre ya ka kaipon ka jongki ba lakmi lenti bakin aiti ya ka kaipot haswa ka life way to rate unopra.
Have to be implemented in full. The process is to be followed. So the process requires both the states to sign the minutes of the meeting. Once the minutes of the meeting are signed by the chief ministers, only then is it taken as official. And hence that process also requires time because these are words. Even one comma can change the meaning of the minutes, and hence it has to be done very much in detail. That process has been done now. Both the chief ministers have signed the minutes of the meeting. And once that is done, now the official process of communicating to the necessary different commissions will be taken and Government of India will be taken up. So it's a process, procedural aspect. It has been done. And in the minutes, there are other aspects also which we had mentioned, where we will see the withdrawal of forces from the different state governments in different areas at a substantial level, I should say. I don't want to go into details, especially in sensitive locations, which again will see that the tensions will go down substantially. And at the same time, I have been in touch with Assam Chief Minister for our pending visit to the Block 1 area, Khanduli Pesiar area. So we expect that some elections are going on, so we had to delay our visit. But right when the elections are over, we expect that we should be visiting Khanduli Pesiar Block 1 in one particular location. We are yet to decide on the exact location. Started, finalizing the reports. Once we meet on this visit of ours, we will unofficially take a call and then we will. But we have informed, if I recall correctly, 31st December was what we had put. I don't remember exactly, I don't have the papers in front of me, but we had put that in the last meeting. But we will see how the process goes, and after discussion with the respective committees, then we'll take a call.